Well, I finally finished building my solar system. Those are the timers for setting the position of solar panels. "36 100-watt panels, 3.6 kW. These towers allow me to raise this up 12 feet on this end and 16 feet on the other end. That way I can tilt the whole array from my north-south orientation, depending on the season or the time of the year. I only need to move this about 3 times a year, up and down that way. This all tracks the sun. The array is 12.5 feet wide, 23 feet long. This tower here is 16 feet tall. The remote control winches raise it up and down, lock chain. This is my interface junction from the panels into the control cabinet. This is my first video, so please be patient with me. These are the inverters. There are 4 1,000 watt inverters inside the cabinet. They convert in grid tie. These are tied to the grid. They convert the 12 volt to 110. These are outputs. Little screen flickering on here just because it's digital. It's going to happen when you're taking video, high-end video with these. Down the battery, this is the battery that runs the winches and the timer assembly and the rotational control. Charge control, a little built-in power supply. Watt-hour meter. Each of these inverters are tied to its own breaker. It's a winch for raising and lowering this end, and there's another one on the other pole. Provides nice shade. We're going to be pouring concrete under this whole area in here and putting in a picnic table, because it's a great place to have a picnic table because I'll be in the sun or in the shade no matter what time of the day. This here's the actuator that rotates east and west. That box long tube there with a bar sticking out of it, that's the actual contactors for position sensing. Inner junction box. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm happy. This is enough power to power my whole house and both the neighbors' houses. They still have reserves. My next phase in the next few months will be putting in the battery bank. Right now everything's just being fed back into my meter and zeroing out my electric bill. Thanks for watching.